everyone, this is my beautiful wife.
My beautiful wife.
And let's eat. You know what? This is how it's done. It's leftovers of the leftovers. We're trying to finish everything in our house. So that's what we had. We had the Thrive Life, and I had a little bit of herbs and a little bit of, I don't know, sausage hams, you know, and that's it, basically. And that's it. I have a little bit more of this. No.
Yep. This is us.
It's a hot. I mean spicy hot.
Hot, hot.
Hot, hot.
Not spicy. Just hot.
Yeah.
Oh my. It's hot beyond hotness.
It's very nice.
Okay. Lovely. Solution.
Uh-huh. Oh my god, it's hot.
This is how you cool it down.
Oh, it's yummy.
There you go.
It's nice that we have Thrive Life at home.
It's totally nice. It's so great that you didn't have to go do any word shoppings or anything like that. We're just like, yep, you have this, I have this, she pulled this, she pulled that, okay, there's a meal.
Yeah, she
Because
asked
we're
me what
literally flying so soon, we're just like trying to get last things organized and we're just like swamped.
Yeah, so it's lovely to have.
Lifesaver for us, anyway. Okay, I was gentle, but not gentle anymore. Actually, with this,
It's been better.
Wow.
Isn't it good?
What is it?
This one?
Is it like kefir?
It's like,
Buttermilky kefir?
but yeah. Story of the kefir slash buttermilk slash...
Yeah, that's what I'm asking how we call it because there is a story behind it. Well, Victoria?
Yeah. I wanted to buy buttermilk for RL. He asked me to buy. And by mistake I bought the regular milk, like full fat milk, like homo milk.
Whoopsie.
Whoopsie.
It's a big whoopsie because we don't drink milk.
No, and I wasn't sure what to do with it. But I remember that I had kefir, Ariel's beloved kefir, from Liberty. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. And sugar-free one. So I said, you know what? Let's make more kefir. So I just added about half a cup of kefir to the milk, mix it all together, and left it outside for 24 hours. And here we go. We have a kefir slash buttermilk.
Slash yumminess.
Yeah.
I know I like it with the kefir. But it reminds me, you know what it reminds me?
What, honey?
The stuffed pepper filling.
Sure. But with beans.
Yes, but...
And hams. And corn. Which I usually not put on there.
True, but the tomato is there, everything in here. And the rice kind of reminds me of the stuffing. That's why it really worked, because we tend to eat this with the stuffed peppers or sour cream, whatever.
You know what? It's awesome. It's tasty. Yeah. More? A bit of mushrooms here. I mean, yeah, this is how leftovers basically works. Oh. Now.
It actually tastes good because I'm like, well, we're hungry. What are we going to eat for dinner?
Yeah.
And Victoria's like, going?
Just a second.
Just a second. Let me see. Let me see.
Exactly like
It's
that.
like pulling things. It's like, yeah, wait, we have Thrive Life.
Yeah.
Pretty much. Then we have this, we have that. Great. Yay.
It's very nice.
And it's so hot. Temperature wise.
Apparently, on the day that we're coming to Taipei, it's National Independence Day of Taiwan. We had no idea. I knew it today by mistake, and apparently it's like a very huge celebration. Who knew? But the
It's
problem
kind of crazy.
like we're very happy, but the problem is that we are landing in 5 a.m. their time.
And we get hotel around 2,
2,
hopefully.
and we have no idea when and how the celebration is starting, so we are not sure if we will be able to sleep even a little bit.
But hey, it's a party time.
But hopefully,
We'll sleep on the flight. I hope.
yeah,
Somewhat.
adrenaline will kick in and we will. Yeah.
Sure hope so.
One thing though that I found that if you don't sleep in the middle of the day, this day, you switch the hours faster, and then you go sleep and you wake up like in more normal.
I don't know, switch to what? Our hours in Canada already upside down pretty much.
True.
We're totally night owls.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's related to time, so actually it probably should be. Who knows? Who knows?
Who knows?
If we will survive. Haha.
Hopefully.
Okay, I hope Ariel will survive.
He will.
We'll give him bubble tea and another bubble tea. He should be happy.
Yeah. Or good food
Oh.
in general.
Bubble tea, good food. Bubble tea, good food. Good food, bubble tea. How much food did you make? What did you expect to come?
No one, but we need tomorrow morning as well. And you know what the beauty of this?
You know how much food is this?
Yeah, and I'm sorry, I didn't expect. I just...
No, I'm just like, whoa. No, it doesn't look that much until you start eating. It's like, oh.
Max, I can take to our teachers tomorrow. They will love to have some lunch. Yeah, that's what we do. We giving our teachers, like teachers for.
Yeah. Ariel has classes, so.
Classes, and I bring it to share with people. Food, and they love it. So yay.
Yay, that was delicious.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you for much. Thank you so much for joining us. And
as you know, we are affiliated with Thrive Life,
Yay.
and check the link down below.
Yay.
So yeah, check it, and we will get, like, if you are going to order something, we will get some small commission. So yeah, thank you so very much.
Yay.
And please try it if you liked, and please subscribe, write us a comment, thumbs up us, and cheers,
Live in life, and
remember,
go toward your joy and do something fun every day. And we're going
see
to
you
go
next
back to
time.
our business. Doing stuff. So many things to do. I'll see you next time. Bye, bye, bye.